shouldn't I have a bib on for this? Or some gauze or something like that. I don't know, just to make it look really professional. I have been coming here since, I don't know if there were dinosaurs roaming the streets nearby, but I think it's about a dozen years. I had lots of crowns that were leaking and a mess, and I've been a different dentist who told me horror stories and things like that. And then my friend Gretchen Pomeroy said, there's only one person for you to go to. She said, I will give you his number, call him. And I said, what's his name? And she said, Gary Laine, and he's in Palo Alto. So I called one day at about 12:30, quarter to 1, the phone rang and rang and rang, and I thought, no one's picking up. And then I remembered she told me they closed for lunch. But then Dr. Laine did answer the phone, and I said something friendly like, what are you doing? And he said, I'm working through lunch. And I said, you work through lunch? He said, yes. And I said, then you're the dentist for me. I like that attitude. Anyway, we had many consultations and everything else about all the stuff in my mouth and what to do about it and everything else. And I finally surrendered, and he did all the things. And now I just come in for regular checkups and so forth. And I had not had anything wrong in my teeth in all this time once he finished. And I actually drove my new teeth around at one time. That's another story altogether. You'll come back for that. But anyway, it's just been a very, very positive experience. I could not be more satisfied than I am. And I've not been pro-dental anything ever before in my life. So I would, if you're thinking about prosthodontist, and there is a line when that's what you need to think about, this is the man to come to. Thank you for listening. See you next week.